Thread the water pipe with a shorter length of meters into the tail of the telescopic rod and out from the top. Take out the accessory package, screw the connecting piece into the head of the telescopic rod and thread it through the water pipe. Take out the accessory kit, insert the wrench and nut into the connecting piece and brush head. Loosen the wrench to adjust the brush head angle. Connect the extension water pipe to the telescopic rod water pipe using valve pneumatic joint. Extend the connection between the end of the water pipe and the universal faucet joint. Remove the universal faucet connector and insert it into the outlet of the water pump. Water pump power connection water pump.